I'm here to bring you some healthy tips on eating when you're away from home. We all know that your eyes can be bigger than your stomachs, but that's okay, as long as your eyes are bigger in a healthier way. Number 1, cut out on the sugary drinks and pick low-fat milk or water. Number 2, make your protein selection wisely, like picking chicken or eggs. Number 3, choose your whole grain over others when available. Number 4, increase your fruit and veggie intake by eating in a rainbow. It should cover half of your plate. All this doesn't have to cost much. Making the right choices can have you cashing in on an easy, healthy lifestyle. For more info on how you can eat healthy, just go to www.choosemyplate.gov.